Yo guys, what is up? Dank Tech here, and today I'm bringing you a video of how to install Android 9.2 on a VMware Workstation VirtualBox. I don't know all the same steps apply for Oracle's virtual machine because I don't actually use it. I prefer using VirtualBox. You can use VirtualBox. You can buy a license, or you can use it free for 30 days. As you see, I have a license, so I'm all good. Basically, what you're going to need is virtual machine or virtual VMware, and you also need this file, which this file will be in the description. To get VMware, you just literally Google it, you'll be fine. Then you'll get to here and just click create a new virtual machine. Choose custom, because if you don't choose custom, Windows is going to ask you, but it's going to make assumptions, and assumptions are usually fucking wrong. And then you click I will install operating system later. You choose Linux and you click here. You find Linux 5.5, 5.x, and later kernel 64-bit. You can use 32-bit, but my operating system is a 64-bit version. So, and then you name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call this Dank Tech Android 9.0. I think take Android. This will probably be deleted later because I already have it. Number of processors. This is entirely up to you. I usually give it 4 cores and 1 processor. However, when you're dealing with heavier machines like Windows or Mac, bump it up to 8 cores or something. My processor is a 16 core processor, so then you give it RAM. I'm just going to give it approximately 8 gig. Well, 8 gig doesn't need all that at all, but hey. And then you choose use network address again. But see, when you're doing this, make sure it's not more RAM than you already have, or it'll heavily slow it down. Next, next, next. And you use a virtual, like an existing virtual disk. Click next, and then you click browse. You go to the place where you have it installed, which is here, and then you just click next. You can do whatever you want here. I would normally just keep existing format. However, yourself. So that's your settings. You can go back in here and change whatever you want anytime if you want. So it's not that hard. That is one of the benefits of actually virtualization. You can upgrade the hard drive space. You can upgrade it without actually buying it. Obviously, you still have it on your phone. There's no corresponding device available as host. Do you want to? Yes. And you yourself control exist. Just click top one. I don't know if I got that in time, did I? Yeah, I might have. I'm not sure. Then you just wait until this actually installs. Okay, no, I didn't click in time. Oh no, I did actually. Did I don't. Yeah, I did. Okay. Your mouse gets stuck. Press Control and Alt together. Just press next, and then tablet is starting. And now you basically have Android. However, it is quite slow, so I wouldn't really recommend trying to do heavy things on it. No, it's quite handy if your laptop or computer has a touchscreen. Okay, Denmark's cold minx rice masquerade. You see, it's actually working. I can't touch it. I want to touch it. My laptop has a touchscreen, but and then you just use your mouse and keyboard as you would, and that's honestly just it. Then you power it down, shut down, and add virtual machine settings. So you can give it more space if you wish. You don't need to. It's already set to that. There's all the settings you can change. You can select your display, accelerate 3D graphics, specify monitor settings, monitor 1, maximum resolution, the 4K, which doesn't exist. I actually don't think that makes a difference, to be honest, on the resolution. I actually think you need to go through the command line for that. I really do. Okay, yes. I'll tell you now, but I'm almost sure you need to go through the command line. But yeah, that's the easiest way how to set it up. It's not actually that difficult. It's actually very, very simple. So just get out there, enjoy it. It's good if you're a developer, so it is, because you can change a lot of stuff for yourself, and you can test stuff without having, like, I have a Note 20 5G Ultra, and I don't want to be testing stuff on that. It is too dangerous to be testing stuff on. So you use virtual machines. So yeah, not really much else to say. It's just an Android experience from here on out. So thank you for watching. Peace out and good luck. Oh, another heads up before you go and have any bright ideas. That file you added at the start, it does need to be there. Forgot to say that. I deleted it, and because I'm not actually going to use this box, because I have a few in here. That's all my stuff there. I have a lot of stuff already there. So this is just a quick tutorial. But yeah, it's just to make sure you know you can't actually delete that. You can change it and all that there, location, but you can't delete it. Just please know for the future again. Thank you for watching. Peace out and good luck.